Hey friends, hip pain is an issue you don't want to neglect. I know a lot of you are going to the doctor and doing clueless stretching for it. But here's a second thought. Stretching is a temporary relief, and if you watch this video until the end, you're going to find easy exercises and muscle activations that will get rid of your pain in seconds. Also, I know many of you have been following my series on pain relief. I've covered similar hip relief exercises before, so check out that video if you want more solutions. Friends, the psoas muscle is crucial for supporting your hips and spine. Research from the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy has shown that regular psoas exercises significantly reduces hip pain and improves mobility. I'm going to walk you through simple but effective muscle activation practices that you can do anywhere to get rid of your hip pain. First thing that we're going to do is come and check our psoas muscle strength. Is your psoas actually strong? And this is a simple test, and then we're going to activate the psoas, and then we're going to retest. So come and lie onto your back with your legs straight out in front of you. Now, we're going to start with the right leg, so I want you to externally rotate that right leg and then slide the right leg to the right about 20 degrees. Keep your fingers now on your two pelvic bones and slowly start to lift that right leg up to about 40 degrees. I want you just to kind of notice, is it easy? Is it hard? Is it kind of floating up, or do you feel like you kind of have to think about the muscles that are lifting the leg up? Are you also compensating to try and lift that leg up and then slowly lower back down? So let's get that muscle activated. Bend your knees, bring your feet flat on the floor like you would for bridge pose. You're going to bend your right knee and cross the right ankle over to the left knee, in front of the left knee. Sometimes this is called figure 4 pose in the yoga world, but instead of stretching, we're going to be activating. From here, your right knee is sort of hanging out there on the right. You're going to take your left hand and bring it towards the right knee. Now press the right knee into that hand, and bada bing, bada boom, you're going to activate your psoas. Now, what's really important here is you're not pressing with your left hand. You're pressing your right knee into your left hand. This is going to start working your psoas and activating it. The magic number is 6 seconds. Do it 6 times. In between each time, just take a moment to relax. After you've done this for 6 seconds, 6 times, straighten the legs back out, externally rotate that right leg that's straight, slide it to the right about 20 degrees, and then lift the leg about 40 degrees off the ground. Again, notice, is there a difference? Is it easier? Are you compensating less? That means that this muscle activation worked and your psoas is activated and working properly. Do this practice a lot throughout your day. You don't have to just do it once a day. You can do it anytime your lower back is hurting. You can also just do it just to make sure that your psoas is activated. The next most important thing to do is to get the glutes activated. One of the things that you often see, and one of the biggest mistakes you often see in not only the yoga world, but also the fitness world, is that we have to release the psoas. But friends, the psoas is tightening up because the glutes are not doing their job properly. So if we get the glutes working, not only are the glutes going to support your lower back and support your hips and make sure that you get rid of your hip pain, but you're also going to have a much more relaxed psoas. So what you want to do is come and lie down onto your stomach. I suggest sometimes either bringing the hands underneath the shoulders or have the hands underneath your head or down by your waist. Bend one knee, and with the knee that's bent, bring that hand to that glute and just feel it engage. Like squeeze that glute as much as you can, and then lift that knee off the ground. Keep the pelvic bone down. Don't lift the pelvic bone up. It's very important here. So you really want to target and activate the glute as much as possible. Hold it up there for 6 seconds and repeat it 6 times. Do this both on each leg simultaneously. You're going to get those glutes not only activated, but this exercise's muscle activation will start to strengthen the glutes. And the last practice we're going to do is to also get the glutes activated, but also start to get into some of the lower back muscles. A lot of hip pain is related to the lower back not working properly. So turn around, come onto your back, bend your knees and bring the feet a little bit more than hip distance apart. And with the arms out like a T, get those hips up as high as you can. Squeeze those glutes and lift the hips up a little bit higher. Come on back down slowly and repeat this 6 more times. Again, come up and hold for 6 seconds and then come on back down and repeat for a total of 6 times. This practice is going to be stupendous to activate your glutes, strengthen your back muscles, and also get your hamstrings working. Friends, if you're feeling some relief, go ahead and give a thumbs up for this video, please. Comment yes below if you feel the tension starting to melt away. Try adding these muscle activations to your daily routine and see the difference. Comment feeling better if you're already noticing the difference, and remember to visit my 7-day program to get a complete package to live pain-free. Regularly exercising your psoas muscle can be a real game changer for reducing pain and improving overall mobility. Remember, small steps can lead to big results over time. So if you found these muscle activations helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on that notifications so you don't miss any of my health and wellness tips. For more personalized routines and advice on pain-free living, visit my website today. Let's keep moving forward and living an age-free life together.